That was the solo for For Leyna by Billy Joel. Not only is he the piano man, but he is a genius synth solo creator and writer, as is to be expected from someone like Billy Joel. So I've always loved this sound. This is an OB-X sound that I've created on the MODX. I started with a synth lead sound and I just tweaked it until I got this. And if you want me to do a tutorial on how I put the sound together, I'll do that. I'll also be putting this sound up on Sound for you to download if you want. But today we're going to go over how to play this solo and all the patterns and notes and arpeggios that are being used. I've also got a video on how I created this backing track, and I'll link that here and also in the description so you can get an idea of how to play along with something like this. I'll also be giving you the file for this. Put some comments down there if you're interested in the backtrack, and I'll either put it on the Synths and Guitars website or on Sound, and you'll be able to jam along with it.
And speaking of jamming, go ahead and jam that subscribe button right now. It'd be such a nice thing to do. Show your support for the Synths and Guitars channel. Go ahead, I'll give you a second to do that if you haven't done so already. If you already are a subscriber, thank you so much. I have a lot more synthesizer, sound design, FM synthesis, and lessons coming your way. And it's free. So do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and continue to show your support. It's truly appreciated. Now let's get back to that lesson.
The For Leyna synth solo. It starts here with an A major arpeggio, broken arpeggio, starting with the A above middle C, and it's going to go. See that? Just outlining that A major arpeggio, descending, and then he goes up to the octave. And that's where you hear that nice portamento. So, that's the first 4 notes. The next 4 are further working up that arpeggio. You're going to start with that note you just left off on, and you're going to go. So you're just outlining the notes of that A major chord. And you went down to the E above middle C, and you're going to hit the E above, an octave above, and again you get that nice portamento sound. So that was, so far we have A major pretty much. See that? The backing track now goes to an F chord, and Billy will change to a F major 7 arpeggio. So he's gonna go, I'm sorry. And if you look at those notes, it's basically an A minor 7th. It is played over an F chord with the band. What the band is playing. So that is, we got, and we're going to play E, C, A, all white notes, up to the G. So a minor 7th away this time. So that was, it's outlining the shape of an A minor 7th. See that? So kind of 2 chords going on here. You got an A major and then an A minor shape. So again from the beginning. Here's that A minor. Okay, now we got some little nice notes right next to each other here. So we just came from up to that G. We're going to go F, E, F, E, D. So that was. kinds of grace notes and trills and things within when you listen to it closely. So I hear it's kind of a grace note into that F, but the basic pattern is from after the G is F, E, F, E, D. Okay, now there's a second section. We are going to go through the chord progression once again with the backing track. It's starting on A major. And you're going to outline an A suspended fourth for this. So it's C sharp, this is C sharp above, an octave above middle C. C sharp, D, C sharp, A, and then E. So see how that outlines an A sus4. So he's going to go, and that's just C sharp D, C sharp A, E. He then moves up to the E. It's the E an octave above middle C, and he's going to go E, F sharp, E, C sharp, A. So now you're outlining an A sixth chord. E, F sharp, E, C sharp, A. So putting that new section together, you got to move pretty quick. This is going at 144 beats per minute. So work that up. It's a little bit of a shift. See that? Now when the chord goes down to a G, he's going to outline the G here. It's very similar to that last pattern we did, but instead of going down to E, you're going to go down to G, right next to the A. C sharp, D, C sharp, A, G. The pattern prior to this was, see how that's just a variation of that? We're going to the G now. He does shift up again, very similar pattern to the last one, but he's going to go outlining that B natural. So it's E, F sharp, E, C sharp, B natural. So that section, that new section is, okay. The chords now in the backing track and the band will go to F, and we are going to outline an F major 6, all white notes, C, the C above, an octave above middle C, to D, to C, to A, to F. Very simple. And then we are going to outline an F major 7 up here. Very nice sound. E, F, E, C, A. So that was, and again, F major 6, F major 7. And then we start taking it out here. The solo is about to end. We outline an F major triad. And that's just C, A, F, A, C, A, F, A. And he plays that thusly. Like that pattern ends on the A. We're then going to outline an E major triad. And that's B, G sharp, E, G sharp. So that last ending section there is F, E major. And the last note is A natural. So I got a little mod wheel action going on over there with the vibrato. He's got some other effect coming in. It's a filter sweep, and well, I can't expect to be exactly like Billy Joel, of course. So Let's go over everything from the beginning. Messed up a little on the end there, but you get the idea. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson on how to play that synth solo. And if you want more, let me know if you'd like me to do the one from Angry Young Man. Has a similar sound, and I love playing that one. That's a lot more complicated, but just as fun to play. Put your comments down there. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see you next time.